What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. All right, guys. So I'm going to be doing a very important video today. And as you guys might know, or you might not know, Interactive Brokers now has conditional orders on the mobile. All right. So there used to be conditional orders in Trader Workstation, but now on mobile, it makes it very easy and accessible for anyone that wants to trade on the go, that wants to take advantage of conditions on your trades. So I'm going to be walking you through those and how I use those specifically with SPY and also with my day trading picks. All right. So I have my broker up here as well. I'm recording from here. This is live. This is my account. And as you can see, I'm up on some, I'm down on some, but overall, pretty happy with my gains. And one of the trades that I took is this MES right here. Okay. So this is futures and it's fluctuating right now, as you can see, going up and down based on the overnight price action. So a lot of you are not interested in really trading futures and you want to trade SPY options, okay? However, one of the things that I always talk about is the futures market is always operating overnight. So here's an example here. So this is Tuesday, right? So this is 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., then 9 a.m. So at 9 a.m., I got my buy signal using the Fibonacci to go long on this 618 right here, highlighted in blue. And this is one of my entries to enter as well. But from here, a lot of you guys don't want to trade futures because it has margin. So how exactly do you translate this into an order on SPY for options? How can you automate that? So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing that I like to do is hit this plus button, go to SPY and type in new price scale. Okay. Select that. And then from here, when you hover over, you'll get a conversion. So right here, the Fibonacci I'm looking to go long on for futures is 56.15.50, and the closest next whole number on SPY is 559. So what I like to do is, so you can see right here, 559. What I like to do is go one strike out the money, all right, and get 2 or 3 weeks out if I'm going to swing it. And if I'm going to go for the same day, you can also do 0 DTE. So for these calls on these days, easily up 50-60% depending on your fill. But you can see once we touch that 618, we got a nice big rally, right? So let's go ahead now and let me show you how to put these orders in. So the first thing you want to do is hit the trade button. Then from there, you can go and type in SPY, okay? And then we're doing options in this case, right? And right here, we're looking for the 559 calls. So I'm just going to scroll down till I get there, 559. And then you pick your expiry. So let's say we wanted to do this Friday expiry. Let's just say August 29th. Okay, so then you would double click on that right there. So normally what you would do here is just click buy and sell, and you just get filled whenever you hit the buy and sell button if you use the market. However, let's say coming into the open today, so coming in around 6 a.m., 7 a.m., you knew what the Fibonacci level you wanted to buy is. So I already knew what I wanted to buy before the market opened because I'm using the fibs and I'm trying to be predictive and I'm trying to look for a good deal. So how do we do that? So we just hit the buy button. And I'm going to set the order type to market, okay? Because the reason I do that is I want to get filled right away. And generally speaking, the spread on SPY calls is not bad. If you're trading something illiquid, you got to be careful if the spread is too far apart, but the spread is very liquid on SPY. And then from there, we're going to just hit this order conditions, okay? So the main thing that I use here is the price of. You can use any one of these, even like my daily P&L, if you wanted to close all your positions. There's different things, but for me, I generally just use the price of. So from here, you have two options. So you can use SPY itself, and then you can say, we'll go to SPY and then we can click on the stock. All right. So what was our level for SPY? It was the 618 is right around 558.67. So what I do is I go up a little bit, let's say right around here, 558.80. And then I'd say once SPY is less than, so there's a less than or equal is already selected, 558.80, automatically buy me those calls. Okay. And once SPY breaks that price, it's going to automatically fill you at the market. You can also do this check condition during extended hours, but I generally don't do that when I'm trading SPY. Okay, and then you would hit done, slide to submit buy right here, and then you're good to go. Okay, so there's your order submitted. So I'm just dismiss that. Okay, so there you go. So I'm just going to cancel this because obviously I'm not taking this trade. I'm taking futures instead. But the other thing we can do, which is pretty cool, is we can hit buy and we can go to conditions, and we can also do this based on ES, okay, which is futures. So we go to ES right here, we type in futures, and we go to the September contract, and then we can actually do it based on futures. So we can actually get this down to the tick. So the price that I was looking for is 56.1550. So I can say when ES is less than 56.1575. So once it breaks that, it'll be 56.1550 and automatically buy me at the market. Okay, you can also set a limit if you want, but I want to get filled right away. And then you just hit slide to submit. Okay, so then you're good to go there as well. All right. So the other thing that I like to do this on are my trigger plays. Okay, so if we go over here to Meta, here's an example. We have an inside bar. So these are the plays that I post every day, these inside bar breakouts. And we can say, hey, Meta 52271. I want to get long above that. Buy me the 530 calls the same exact way that I just showed you. All right, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. And this is really dedicated to a lot of you that are trading futures and SPY, the S&P 500, and you want to really use options. But my strategy using the Fibonacci is always based on the futures market because it's trading all the time. There's a lot of clues that is in there as well. And shout out to Tradingview as well for all these indicators. Here are my free indicators, and Nephew Sam, this is a free indicator for the fair value gap if you guys are using that as well. Shout out to everyone that's contributing to that. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is definitely not financial advice. This is what I do. I'm showing you what I do. In this case, I took futures, but if I wanted to take SPY options, that's how I would do it. I definitely do that, SPY options for lottos and different things like that, or for swings, I use this exact same approach. But obviously it involves risk, so make sure you do your due diligence and understand margin and understand options, okay? And I have some videos on explaining margin and different things for you guys to learn. The main benefit about this is like right now, if I know I want to short SPY, let's say tomorrow at 562, this is another Fibonacci level, or let's say 561. So let's go ahead and draw up this fib. Let's come up from high to low. So let's say tomorrow, I know I want to short SPY right around 562. I can set this order up right now, go to work or wherever you guys got to go, do your thing, and the order can automatically trigger once the conditions are met. So this is something that I used a lot when I was working full time and I needed to just get in and out of my trades and I couldn't look at the screen, I couldn't use the broker, etc. So I hope this adds value to you, and thank you so much. I have some interactive broker links below that if you click on those links, it'll directly support me. I appreciate you guys if you do that. Drop a like and comment and let me know if you ever plan to use these conditions or if you've ever done them in the past. Also, let me know what cool conditions do you use besides price. All right, drop a comment below, drop a like. Thank you guys. Appreciate you and have a great day.